Hey guys, it's Competition 518. I want to show you this really cool trick called Quick Wink, or Quick as a Wink. I like to call it Quick Wink. Starts out with this deck of cards, and all I want y'all to do, you get a spectator, and all I want you to do is just touch a card for me.
Don't move so much.
Would you get that and show it to the camera, please? Thank you. And I'm going to put it right here on top, you see? And I'll watch, I'm just going to cut the deck, just like so. And then whenever I do that, there's actually two queens face up in the deck. Can you see that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these just like this, put them on the top of the deck. I'll put them right there. I'll get the top card and the bottom card and throw them over there. Can you point to that for a second? Okay. And then I'm going to get the two queens just like so, and I'll put them right here, and I'll watch. I'm going to get it like this, and all I have to do is go 1, 2, 3. Look at that. One card is actually in between the two queens. Now, what was your card? Come on. 5 of hearts.